Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake low budget, only way. Use pantry staples, simple swaps, and smart portions to stretch ingredients without losing flavor. Start by measuring flour and sugar precisely, use oil instead of butter when cheaper, and flavor with vanilla extract or citrus zest. I'll guide you through batch sizes, oven temps, and affordable frosting options so you get a tasty cake on a tight budget. Choosing cheap ingredients does not mean bland results, so pick versatile staples that add flavor and texture. Buy store brands for flour and sugar, use applesauce or mashed banana to replace some fat, and mix powdered milk for creaminess. I will show simple ratios, how to scale recipes, and timing tweaks so your cake bakes evenly and tastes homemade without overspending. I'll include cooling tips and budget frosting ideas to finish beautiful. Small changes in technique can save money and improve texture, so use an oven thermometer and a light-colored pan for even baking. Grease pans with oil and parchment to prevent waste, use a hand mixer or whisk instead of expensive equipment, and repurpose jars for single servings. Follow simple doneness tests, cool cakes properly, and store leftovers to avoid throwing away perfectly good cake. These small habits compound into major savings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.